Hey guys, well this is a treat because you have someone besides me doing an unboxing.
I didn't know that people really got into this, so I am happy to oblige.
So Stitch Fix is running a promotion through the end of January where if you have never gotten a Stitch Fix box before, you can get your first box without a styling fee. So normally it's $20 for them to style a box for you. You get 5 items in a box sent directly to you. You don't pay for shipping either way. If you don't keep anything, normally you would lose that $20 styling fee, but it's free for the month of January. So they sent both of us boxes, which was so kind of them, and we have not opened them, and we're gonna unbox them, and we want you guys to tell us what we should keep. And this is so fun for me, for Matthew, excuse my raspy voice, because basically this is his uniform. Some shade of black with a little bit of color, and
This is actually blue though. This is like
this is not blue.
This is blue.
No, it's not, Matthew.
It's blue.
No, it is not blue. It is this black. It's black, you guys. Please comment that it's black because it's legit black.
It is navy blue.
It's a real big deal that it has yellow on it. That's about. But
no, but she's right though. I wear a
only wears
lot
black.
of black. I mean,
and so when Stitch Fix said we'll send your husband a box, I said thank you. So anyway, you can do this free trial for me or for you, for a woman or for a guy. Anybody can get this. So if you get Stitch Fix, but your husband doesn't, or his wardrobe could use an update, here you go. All right, so let's open your box. Okay, so we just literally cut it open. I'm more excited than he is, I think. So Stitch Fix, guys, is dark green. The girls is light green. Okay.
Okay.
So inside every box.
So what am I doing? Just like opening
He doesn't know how to do an unboxing.
Okay, am I opening this first?
Yeah, fine. Okay,
right.
but first, wait, let me just show everyone. So you get a postage bag to send your stuff back in, okay? And then you get an envelope, and this has, oh, they even do this for guys. So look, it says, well, hello there. And then it has, this is everything they sent you, and they tell you how to style it.
Oh.
Super helpful. I know that some people actually perf these out and they keep them in their closet. And then there's a note. Your stylist is Emily. And so she says, let's see, we hope this is an easy experience. I saw you're looking for a new pair of everyday casual shoes. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, they put a sweet little note with your stuff. Okay, so it looks like those are the shoes that they sent you.
Should we open these first?
Yeah, I love that they're in a bag. I've never gotten shoes from Stitch Fix before. These are nice.
These are nice. These are not bad.
So they are... They're like, not velour. What is this material? Like a leather.
Like, yeah. It is like a...
Clearly I'm not a fashion blogger. He also has big feet. Not going to make any comments about that.
I would hope not. Wow. Anyway, okay.
Shoes.
So, yeah. No, these are... I'd wear these. These are cool.
These
I like
are
these.
cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's by... They are CVs. I've never heard that brand, but I mean, I like them.
Good job, Stitch Fix. Way to go on the shoes. Oh, and they send the prices too. So I'll go through the prices. We said that we wanted things pretty affordable. So like most of the stuff is $48.58. The shoes are $100. Looks like you've got a pair of jeans in here. Everyone loves Stitch Fix jeans. Okay. I really like how they wrap everything. Very masculine paper.
Oh. Yeah.
You're really into it, aren't you?
I mean, you know. All right.
Somebody says, Sandra says that this does not look navy. That's because it's not. It's black. Okay.
Well, I mean, then I must be colorblind because this is just as navy as that.
No, it isn't even close. Why are we still talking about this? This is blue, black.
Okay.
I mean, we don't look the same. Look at the screen.
I'm not going to get into a argument live on Facebook, but I'm just... It's...
Okay. Okay. Ooh, this is nice.
Yeah.
I sound very Deborah Winger with this little sickness that I have going on.
I don't know what that means.
Deborah Winger, she's an
I know
actress with a really
Deborah
raspy
Winger,
voice.
but I mean, this is a... this is cool. I mean, it's a sweater. I get like a real thin sweater with pockets. It's kind of like that in between casual and
it's got like
fancy.
a cozy inside.
I mean, I never really... Oh, yeah, I guess it is cozier than your average thing. So, and this isn't boring for people, like, watching us...
Okay, so should Matthew keep this? Let us know if you should keep it. I think you'd look handsome in it. It's a little preppier maybe than what you are.
Yeah, I mean...
Black jacket. Also, someone else just said I'm right. Just pointing that out.
No. Okay.
Next one.
Wow.
I like this. How do you feel
Yeah,
about
I'm
this?
not gonna wear that. I mean, that looks like, you know, my Uncle Ray would wear it. I mean, nothing against...
I would kind of wear it, actually.
Nothing against Uncle Ray, but I mean, that just looks real. I mean, it
So what I like about Stitch Fix is that they sometimes make you try things on that you wouldn't otherwise get, or even look at. Oh, I never have tried this on. I like this shirt is a Stitch Fix shirt, and I don't know if I would have tried it on, and I absolutely love it. Okay,
yeah,
fine.
I mean,
So
and
you
I'm
don't
sure
love
that
it.
some people would like that. I mean, that's
And
just
you know
not
what? This
my.
is your first fix, and so that's something else that's really important actually for people to know.
It's
is
Emily's first time.
it's your stylist.
Right, that's her
has
name.
to-
Is that her-
Yeah.
yeah.
And so she's got to get to know you and what you like and what you don't like, and so you rate everything that you get, and then every fix gets better.
All right.
But with the free trial, I mean, you can't. There's nothing to lose. Who cares if you don't like anything? But
Yeah.
usually you'll like something. This
Oh, that's
is-
nice. I like that.
this.
That's kind of cool.
Here, you hold. You feel it. What do you think? I really like this. I
It's
think
kind
I
of
would
like the
that.
updated version of
This
those.
is navy.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I mean, there is navy in that. Yeah.
Navy.
I mean,
I didn't know this was gonna be the theme of the
okay,
video.
so yeah, it kind of is like an updated version of those. This is gonna. Like we would always get them on mission trips in Mexico. There's pullovers.
Very, very updated.
A very like what I'm saying, but it has the same kind of like
Maybe Matthew should keep doing these unboxings with me.
these like. It has the
Stop
same-
it.
same
Okay, you're
kind of-
done. Next
All
thing.
right.
People are getting
No.
bored.
Oh, they are. Okay.
I like that.
Sorry. See, I don't know.
No, I mean no one actually says they're getting bored. I just am getting bored. So
I'm just.
and
I
I really
like
want
that
to
though.
open my
I mean,
box. Okay, and now a pair of jeans. Here.
I mean,
So Stitch Fix is known for their jeans. People love Stitch Fix jeans. I've actually never gotten them before. Is Stitch Fix the same as Thread Up? No, 100%. Stitch Fix and why am I blanking? Trunk Club. Stitch Fix and Trunk Club are similar. They're both styling services. Thread Up is an online consignment site where you shop for yourself. Stitch Fix, you actually get your own stylist who is styling these boxes for you.
I'd probably
like
wear these.
those better,
Yeah, they're
those-
kind of cool. I mean, I'd definitely try them on and see what I look like.
I feel like I should start to open my box and you
Okay.
should go try something on.
No, I don't feel like we should do that anyway. She's making me take pictures of myself in this, so which is,
But look how cute he's gonna look. He's gonna look great. Okay.
Awesome.
So I feel like overall, 3 out of 5 things in a Stitch Fix box that you liked
Yeah.
is a really good box. That's a win. Now, if you like all 5 things in your Stitch Fix box, you get 20% off your box, which is a really good deal.
If you like all 5 things and you keep them, right?
Right, if you
Yeah.
like all 5 things and you want to keep them, you get 20% off. A lot of times I feel like it works out to basically it's buy 4, get 1 free with a discount. Okay, so here's my box. Envelope.
Do you want me to stay?
Yeah, I want you to give commentary.
Okay.
I think other people want to know what you think.
I don't have my glasses on, so I can't even see if there's anyone watching.
Okay,
so.
guys, so all of my stuff, 58, 38, 58, 58, 58, okay? So that's what the price point is on these. Little bag to ship everything back. I have silver pretty paper. Okay. I asked for tops. I really like getting tops. I like shopping for my own pants. So I got tops and I think dresses is what I asked for. I asked for jewel tone stuff. This is pretty.
Yeah.
It's a dress. I love wrap dresses. I like this color.
Yeah, that's like one of those colors that almost always looks good on you.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
It's really sweet. He's nicer than I was, I guess.
But that's usual. It just doesn't.
Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. How do you guys feel about that? I feel is it a petite? Yeah, it's a petite. I am petite, but petite stuff I always kind of feel like, meh. What do you think of this? I think it looks matronly.
Oh, I don't know about that. I mean, it just. I don't.
Pattern? Yes, no. Okay. Ooh, this is a goodie, and this is my favorite. One of my favorite colors.
Yeah.
This is is it a cardi? Oh no, it's a top, and then you tie the neck. That's cute.
Yeah, that's kind of, I like that.
There's lots of jewel tones in here.
It's like the same, not
No,
the same
this is more
shirt, but I
pink.
mean, but it's the
Oh
same.
no, this is the cardi.
Oh.
I love a good cardi, you guys.
What is a cardi?
A cardigan.
Oh, then why don't we just call it cardigan?
Because a cardi, you know.
All right, I didn't know that.
Okay,
So.
I like this. I might have something similar though. That's my problem. I love cardigans. So I buy a lot of them. And then this.
Is this a sweat?
This is a cute sweat. Look at those sleeves. Those are cute. So, everyone says no to the floral, but I think everything else might be a win.
Yeah.
So we'll go try these on, not live for you, but I hope that that gives you a sense of kind of the variety of Stitch Fix. So you saw shoes, pants, sweaters, dressy tops, dresses. They also have accessories. I've gotten purses from them before. They carry jackets. Really just lots of great stuff. And I feel like a lot of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe are things that I have gotten from styling services like Stitch Fix, because they're things I wouldn't have picked out for myself, and they save me time, which frankly also saves me money because I'm not impulse buying. I'm not buying a bunch of stuff that then I end up not liking. And so it really makes it worth it.
And you're more comfortable because you're trying everything on in the comfort of your own home and not like going in and out of a dressing room.
Totally. And then I
wasting
can get
all that
Matthew's
time.
opinion on everything. He can get my opinion on everything. What do you think?
No, I mean it's cool. I mean it's a cool service. So I mean I've watched you do it for a long time now. So I mean I know the process.
They usually put this on my note. I think this was like my 30th fix. Hold on. Let's see if it's on here. Oh, that's so sweet. I lost my note. Here it is. Let's see. I've gotten a bajillion of these. So let's see. Oh no, she didn't put what number it was. But here's the thing, guys. If you have not tried Stitch Fix, do it this month because you're going to get that free styling fee, so you have nothing to lose. Also, when you sign up, you will get a referral link. And that referral link you can give to your friends so that they can try their first fix for free, okay? And if they try it and they like it, you'll get credit. And so that's a great way to earn free clothes. And who doesn't like free clothes? I like free clothes. I mean, we all like free clothes. Who doesn't want free clothes? And clothes coming right to your door that you don't have to shop for. I mean, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so I'm going to put a link so that you guys can get this free styling. And thanks so much for joining us.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Bye.